Freshen up your cleaning routine with these 9 uses of lemons. If you want to try a natural recipe for furniture polish, mix 1 part lemon juice with 2 parts olive oil. Apply the solution to a cloth towel and use it on chairs and tables. Bear in mind that some finishes won't do well with such a solution. It is always a good idea to try out the mix on a very small area first, just to be sure that it is safe and won't cloud the finish. Number 4. Refresh the fridge. If your fridge is emanating unpleasant odors, all you have to do is slice a lemon in half and put it inside. This is not a permanent solution, and you will probably still need to clean out the fridge and find the source of the odor, but it can provide that instant fresh scent you will appreciate so much. Number 5. Boost the dishwasher function. When you are using the dishwasher, fill a cup with lemon juice and place it on the top rack. Run the machine as normal, and you will find your plates to be fresh and shining way more than before. Number 6. Used to freshen the air. Aerosol air fresheners introduce all sorts of dangerous compounds, which you then breathe in. Instead of that, you can rely on a lemon. Get a large enough pot, and put some lemon rinds in there. Add in some spices and herbs that you love the aroma of, and fill it with water. Bring the combination to a boil and allow it to simmer on the stove. It will introduce a fantastic aroma all around your kitchen. Number 7. Protect against insects. If you have flies and other insects coming through the windows, squeeze some lemon juice along the windowsills. This will deter them from entering your home. Number 8. Remove grease from grill grates. Heat up the grill while rubbing a sliced lemon on the grates. You can also use some salt to add a little abrasiveness to it. Make sure to keep your hands safe from the heat. Number 9. Use it to make your pots gleam. Slice a lemon in half and sprinkle salt on it. Use that half to rub brass, aluminum and copper kitchenware for some gleaming results. All of these cleaning hacks with lemon are pretty easy to follow. You will find that lemon becomes one of your new favorite tools for cleaning if you give it a chance. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us something? Drop us a line in the comments below. Also, we would like to invite to join our virtual online masterclasses to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, FastKlean. A greener and healthier future.